The James Bond.
Yeah. I know. You got sound as well.
Oh yeah. Sounds better than the film.
Actually, probably.
Have you ever had what I want to know is have you ever had a hole in your pocket? Shit, it's just not having a scratch.
Oh no.
See these testicles wobbling about. That means you just want to keep there.
Oh, really? I knew you always to give them antibiotics. Yes,
Okay.
doing very well. Take a picture of that.
I got to swallow it all. This timing is money, man. I hope it is well. I'm dropping you one and a half.
We had only one night in Sainsbury's or we have up at the place sometimes.
That's all the lads. Oh no.
The men look like that.
You've ever tried dreaming? You're chef's for it. You'll come out the same way. Green. This like this.
It bleeds you.
Oh, I can't eat this in a minute. I'm boiling and my chest is hurting so much.
Of course I need to.
Right. What's that? Enough from this as well. Get with it, God's sake.
I'm not getting through any bills.
It's not quite the moment,
She'd be on your side of the bed. I nearly came back up through my nose.
Second time you said that this week.
No. Got lots of stuff like it's too hot.
I don't even eat this stuff.
You could have a card yesterday.